Hey everyone, I just wanted to say that I absolutely love my pop-on veneers. They have made the whole process super easy. The one thing I really love about it is I've had one of their competitors, before for the last like 7 years. And the problem I had with them was they looked a little crooked. One tooth looked like it was bulging out. You could see, like, when I would smile, you would see a cutoff to where they stopped. So you still saw like the bad teeth I had underneath. And it's still, I had some moments where I was self-conscious. Plus they were a little more yellow as far as natural white. And, I didn't, as much as it was a confidence boost, still, there was still like a little bit that I wasn't, I did not like about them. But then, this year I stumbled across pop-on veneers and I was like, you know what? I need a new set. Let me go ahead and try these ones out. The process was super easy, super quick. The last place I went with it was at least a month and a half to 2 months till I got my teeth after doing impressions and sending it off and everything. They sent the moldings out. I got them done, mailed them back in, all within about 2 weeks, if that. I think it was even faster than 2 weeks. And when they came in, I was amazed. Like, I can smile. They go all the way back. You don't see any cutoff. They're bright white. They are perfectly aligned. I don't think, like, when I put them in, it made me want to cry. Like, I've never seen myself with such a perfect smile in my life, and I'm so proud of it, and I smile way more than I ever have now. So thank you, Pop-On Veneers. You guys are absolutely killing it, and please, like, go get yourself a set, because they are amazing, and they're super quick and really affordable as well. The payment plans are awesome, so get yourself a pair. They're great.